Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to configure your Echo Dot. First, let's unbox your device and identify its components. You'll find the Echo Dot itself and its power adapter. Locate the power port on the back and the auxiliary audio output if you plan to connect external speakers. Choose a central spot in your home for your Echo Dot to ensure the best audio experience and voice recognition. Next, you'll need the Alexa app on your smartphone or tablet. Head to your device's App Store and download the free Alexa app. Once installed, open it up and sign in using your existing Amazon account credentials. If you don't have an Amazon account yet, the app will guide you through creating one quickly, which is essential for setting up your Echo Dot. Now, plug in your Echo Dot. The light ring will turn orange, indicating it's ready for setup. Open the Alexa app and follow the on-screen instructions to connect your device to your home Wi-Fi network. This process is straightforward and usually takes just a minute or two. After connecting, you can personalize settings such as your location, time zone, and preferred language to tailor your Echo Dot experience. With your Echo Dot configured, you're ready to start using it. Simply say the wake word, Alexa, followed by your command or question. You can ask for the weather, play your favorite music, set timers, or even control compatible smart home devices. Explore the Alexa app for many more features and skills to enhance your daily routine. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.